Welcome to AI for Business, the podcast where we cover the latest AI news and AI tools that matter. I'm your host, and today we're looking at OpenAI's upcoming AI browser, YouTube's plan to limit earnings from AI-made videos, and California's renewed effort to require AI companies to publish safety reports. We'll also share a tool for analyzing data inside a spreadsheet using AI, plus a prompt tip for turning a simple text prompt into a full video. OpenAI is preparing to launch its own AI-powered web browser, with a release expected in the coming weeks. The browser is said to be built on Chromium, the same open-source base used by Chrome and Edge, but will take a different approach to how users explore the web. Instead of pointing users to websites, the browser may keep some of those interactions within a built-in chat interface, likely powered by ChatGPT. It could also include an AI assistant called Operator, which would be able to do tasks for users directly inside the browser. But building a new browser is also a way for OpenAI to gain more control over user experience and data, both of which are key parts of how Google's ad business works today. If OpenAI gets even a fraction of its current ChatGPT user base to switch over, it could pull traffic away from search engines and change how people use AI in everyday life. The company has already brought on former Google Chrome engineers and has been investing in building tools that reach beyond text generation. Shifting gears, YouTube is about to update its rules on monetization, with a closer eye on videos created using AI. Starting July 15, YouTube's new policy will give more detail on what it calls inauthentic content, a category that includes mass-produced or repetitive videos that have become easier to make using generative AI. While some creators were worried this might include reaction videos or content using clips, YouTube says the update won't change how those types of videos are handled. Instead, the goal is to be clearer about how to spot content that viewers might see as spam, even if it technically follows the rules. Behind the scenes, YouTube has seen a flood of AI-made content over the past year. There have also been cases where AI tools were used to make misleading or fake videos, including a recent deepfake that used the likeness of YouTube's CEO. YouTube is likely making these changes to protect its reputation and avoid letting this kind of content grow unchecked. On the policy side, California is once again trying to bring more transparency to AI companies. Senator Scott Wiener has introduced amendments to a bill called SB 53 that would require large AI developers to publish their safety and security practices. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, and xAI would also need to issue public reports when major safety incidents occur. This seems to be more balanced, with changes influenced by recent input from a state-led AI policy group. The revised bill also includes whistleblower protections for workers who raise concerns about AI systems that could cause harm, and it proposes the creation of a public computing resource to help smaller AI developers. Today's AI tool to try is Quadratic. It's an AI-powered spreadsheet that lets you analyze data, build visual charts, and write code all in one place. You can talk to the spreadsheet like a chatbot and ask it to show trends, create graphs, or even write SQL queries for you. One of the helpful features is that the tool shows you exactly how the code behind each action works, so you're not just guessing what's going on. It's useful for anyone working with data who wants to go beyond formulas, but stay inside a familiar interface. The prompt tip for today is how to turn a simple idea into a complete video using just a few sentences. Start by writing a short prompt, like, "Give 3 reasons why sleep improves focus." An AI video tool like Veed will take that and turn it into a full script, complete with voiceover, scenes, and captions. You can then change the voice, colors, and visuals to match your brand or personal style. If you want, you can add your own video clips or let the tool pick visuals for you. Link to try in the description. That wraps up this episode of AI for Business. If you want to keep up with what's happening in AI, subscribe to the show so you don't miss what's coming next. If you found today's discussion helpful, send this episode to a friend or coworker who's figuring out how to use AI in their workflow. And if you've got a minute, leave us a review. It helps more people discover the show. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow.